मोदी सरकार की गारंटी, भारत होगा गरीबी मुक्त। 5 सालों में 13 करोड़ 50 लाख लोगों को गरीबी से बाहर निकाला। हमारा संकल्प विकसित भारत।
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates redeveloped Ayodhya Dam Junction railway station at Ayodhya. 161 death anniversary of U Kyang Nongba observed throughout Meghalaya. DSF towards cattle smuggling bit along the Indo-Bangla border in Meghalaya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts with the nation in Man Ki Baat program tomorrow. And Shillong Dolph's Karinam takes BMX Skills Global, secures 10th place in Japan debut. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the redeveloped Ayodhya railway station known as Ayodhya Dam Junction railway station in Uttar Pradesh. The station reflects the temple architecture of the upcoming Ram Mandir of Ayodhya. The station is developed at a cost of more than 240 crore rupees to cater to around 1 lakh passengers daily. Prime Minister Modi flagged off a new category of superfast passenger trains, the Amrit Bharat Express. These trains have engines at both ends for better acceleration. The Prime Minister also flagged off 6 new Vande Bharat trains.
जनवरी में आए, फरवरी में आए, मार्च में आए, 1 साल के बाद आए, 2 साल के बाद आए, मंदिर है ही। और इसलिए 22 जनवरी को यहां पहुंचने के लिए भीड़भाड़ करने से आप बचिए, ताकि यहां जो है मंदिर के जो व्यवस्थापक लोग हैं, मंदिर का जो ट्रस्ट है, हमें इतना पवित्र काम उन्होंने किया है, इतना करके किया है, पिछले 3-4 साल से दिन रात काम किया है, उनको हमारी तरफ से कोई तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए।
President Draupadi Murmu has prorogued both houses of parliament after the conclusion of the winter session. In a bulletin, Lok Sabha Secretariat said that Lok Sabha, which commenced its 14th session on 4 December 2023, has been prorogued by the President on the 29 December 2023. To commemorate the 161th death anniversary of U Kyang Nongba, 2 separate programs were held in Jantia Hills today. The first program took place at Madan Minkoi Perdi Yongpya, organized by Sen Raj. The function at Yongpya was attended by Rajya Sabha MP W.R. Karluki. Earlier, the MP Rajya Sabha paid floral tribute to U Kyang Nongba at the Memorial Stadium. Statue Pok Kablai Molik Su. MLA Santa Mary Shilla also paid her respect at Kyang Nongba Memorial Park. Addressing one of the function, Dr. Karluki stated that even after 161 years, Kyang Nongba's legacy remains alive today. The other function held at Madan Madhya Kamai Blai, Sintuksiar, is the site of the first Darbar of elders of the 12 Ilakas. It was during this meeting that the Darbar resolved to fight against British imperialism in 1861-1862.
Kemo, wak yang nampak to umbang yelek layu, untuk uhab ingin stikai ye pren untuk umbang yelek percak, untuk umbang yelek percak, untuk umbang yelek layu, yang kini berriang. Naibi, the history of Korea, the talk of the pren. Hakian prayer ongi man bias. Man thok hok kita. Jo ongi yang ini kita lihat yang dikonvert benar to resistance untuk resistance to freedom movement boleh yang lain.
The St. Raj Nyamtri Shillong today facilitated academic achievers on the occasion of the U Kyang Nongba 161 death anniversary at St. Raj Dorbar Hall in Kualapati, Shillong. Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala, who attended the program, encouraged the youth to shine in their academic pursuits and contribute to society. The achievers were also facilitated on the occasion in the presence of the St. Raj leaders.
Company resmi tentu jadi kru untuk bagi kru dulu mandi nampak yang kita beri yang dia orang kita membuat beri kontrak yang ini orang ini yang besar dekat besar lembaga dekat leher kapan lememi kapal orang lememi kemudian sekrimo lememi kemudian kewasilo kecak bro yang i dia kopse kecak bro yang imka kecak bro yang nekusa kecak bro yang i uman ko kecak bro kau kikon nak Thai tali kami.
Meanwhile, the KSU and the FKJGP today observed the 161th death anniversary of legendary freedom fighter from Jaintia Hills, U Kyang Nongba in Shillong today. Various units of the organization gathered opposite civil hospitals in Shillong, where the statue of Kyang Nongba has been erected. The leaders took turn to address the gathering and laid stress on the need to hang in on the roots and remember the history of the state. They also paid floral tribute to the legendary freedom fighter. Troops of BSF Meghalaya successfully thwarted a cattle smuggling attempts by rescuing cattle heads from the international border of Meghalaya. The cattle were being smuggled to Bangladesh through the bordering area of West Jaintia and East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. Acting on specific information, the BSF party conducted a special operation near international border and seized over 47 cattle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the nation through his Man Ki Baat program on Akashvani tomorrow. The 108th edition of the program will be broadcast on the entire network of Akashvani News and Doordarshan at 11 a.m. The program would also be streamed on the YouTube channels of the Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and DD News. Maine on Thursday disqualified Donald Trump from the state ballot in next year's U.S. presidential primary election, becoming the second state to bar the former president for his role in January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol. Maine Secretary of the State Shanna Bellows, a Democrat, concluded that Trump, the front-runner for the Republican presidential nomination, incited an insurrection. Dolph G. Karinam, a 22-year-old BMX sensation from Barrick Point, Shillong, showcased his exceptional talent on the global stage at the World Championship ARK League in Koshien Stadium, Japan, on December 24th. Competing against 34 participants from around the world, Dolph secured an impressive 10th place in his category. Dolph, a self-taught BMX enthusiast with over 7 years of experience, has been a trailblazer in the sports. The Sinjuk Kirangba Chnong Riboy district today distributed blankets to underprivileged senior citizens in 4 villages within the district. President of the Sinjuk, Bibi Makadok, and other members visited these villages and handed over the blankets to over 90 households as New Year gift. This heartwarming initiative was made possible through collaboration with a private company. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature 19.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 10.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning was 60%, relative humidity in the evening was 76%. The forecast, Shillong and its adjoining areas will experience dry weather most likely. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated redeveloped Ayodhya Dam Junction railway station at Ayodhya. #161 death anniversary of U Kyang Nongba observed throughout Meghalaya. BSF thwarts cattle smuggling bit along the Indo-Bangla border in Meghalaya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts with the nation in Man Ki Baat program tomorrow. And Shillong Dolph's Karinam takes BMX Skills Global, secures 10th place in Japan debut. Well viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Have yourself a good night.